Dear student, today I will discuss on topic outsourcing. Outsourcing. What do you mean by outsourcing? First of all, we have to understand the meaning of outsourcing. Nowadays, outsourcing is very much popular, and many organizations they are going for outsourcing. Outsourcing means that in an organization there are various types of work, but the organization not doing work within the organization, they are giving the responsibility to other organization, and other organization performing the work, and final output or result they are giving to the host organization. In term, and for that they are getting some commission or some fees. So meaning, first of all, meaning I am explaining the meaning first. Suppose A company and B company. Two company are there. Now, work of A company, work of this company will be performed by B company. So A company work will be performed by B company. There will be the agreement. So we have this type of work, and with the B company there will be the agreement, and B company will perform A company's work, and final output or final result will be given by B company to A company, and A company will pay fees or that agreed price to the B company. So B company is called that outsourcing company, especially we tell that IT sector, information technology based industry. Now nowadays what we are doing to reduce the cost in the organization, what we are doing, we are not maintaining the human resource, we are not employing, or we are not recruiting the human resource for this type of work, and this type of work we are giving to another company, they are performing on behalf of the host company, and after performing that final result they will give to A company, and A company in exchange of that result, that work, A company will pay money to B company. So now this type of outsourcing, that is one company work will be performed not within the organization, it will be performed outside the organization by other organization. Okay, and popularly these are called that IT industry, information technology industry, and IT sector. Nowadays in India, very many IT companies are there. What they are doing, they are collecting the work from our Indian company, from foreign company. They are performing here, and final output they are giving to the organized company, and for that they are getting the commission or that fees, etc., like this. So this is the meaning of outsourcing. Now, need or and benefit of outsourcing, or need or benefit. Need for outsourcing. Need for outsourcing. So why do we need outsourcing? Why we will go for outsourcing? Nowadays outsourcing is very much popular. Some benefit we will get. Number one is the performance on the basis of specialization. Performance on the basis of specialization. Some organizations are there, they are only specialists in a particular type of work. Okay, they are only the specialist in particular type of work, and what they are doing, they are collecting that type of work from different organization, and they are performing. So the host organization, the company, the main company, they can get the specialization service, specialized services, specialized performance from the other company because of the outsourcing. Because of the outsourcing. Next, number two, that concentration on core activities. Concentration on core activities. So many work will not be performed in the organization. Those we can do from outside the organization. We will go for outsourcing, and management of that organization can concentrate on the core activities only. Those are the main activities of the organization. Okay, so they can concentrate on core activities, and they can achieve the target, they can achieve the success in the success. So this is the possible by the management if we go for the outsourcing. So various type of work already given the responsibility, they will perform. If they are unable to perform, unable to provide the required result, then that money will be deducted. They will face problems. So anyhow, the organization, those are doing the outsourcing work, anyhow they have to perform well, otherwise they will not get further work. So as a result, the management can give can concentrate on their core activities only, not on all the activities of the organization. Number three, that achieving economy. Achieving economy means what? Economy means that with less amount of cost, incurring less amount of cost, we will get the maximum benefit. So same work, if we want to do within the organization, then many resources will be required, many human power will be required. For that we have to pay more expenses. But instead of doing within the organization, if we go for the outsourcing, we will find that huge amount of cost reduction will be there. So we can achieve the economy in operation, and if there is the economy in operation, easily we will get some cost advantages, cost benefit we will get. Okay, that production cost will be reduced, and as a result price of the product we can reduce also, and we can compete with the other organization. So that is why nowadays we have to go for outsourcing. Another that advantages you can say, the job creation. How? Job creation, now we are telling like this: when the organization giving work to other organization, those are doing the outsourcing work, they have to employ more employees. In IT sector nowadays, many persons they are getting the job in IT sector, information technology sector. So because of the outsourcing, that we can create the job opportunities for the educated people. Those are qualified for the outsourcing related job, so they can get job in that organization. So because of the outsourcing, we can provide the job opportunities for the educated person or the qualified person. Then business growth. Another one, we can say that business growth. That less strategic stocks can be encouraged globally, so that companies can focus on areas on which they can excel and grow. So less important stocks, we will go, for that we will go for outsourcing. So those are the important tasks in the organization. Only we can concentrate on that, and we can reach them. We can get the global opportunities, etc. like this. So we can increase or you can expand our business activities, business operation. So business growth also possible because of the outsourcing. So these are the some benefits or some need for outsourcing. So at least 5 6 that need for outsourcing you have to prepare for the examination. Number one, meaning, and number two, need for outsourcing for long answer time question. Today up to this negative we will discuss BPO, KPO, etc. Thank you all.